Hello everybody, welcome again to the robot steel structure course. Now we will begin with the robot software. We want to define the region that we are and the code that we want to use in this course. Also, we will choose in this lecture the units. We will put the metric units. So we want to begin with the robot. So we open Autodesk Robot Structural Analysis. This is the first lecture with the robot software. So we go to the robot, we open the robot and we put new project. We want to work with 3D frame steel, frame 3D design for and we want to modeling a steel structure and then we want to analyze and design this steel structure. So we choose here 3D frame. So now we have opened a new project template. We want now to tell the robot that we want to use the American steel code. So we go to tools, preferences, and regional setting. We go here to regional setting and we go and put United States. Okay, for the working language we put English, and for the printout language also we put English, and we press accept. Now the robot tell us that it will all the parameter and setting will change to American code. So we press yes. Now we want to define the units that we want to put them. So we go here to tools, job preferences, we press here on units and we press here metric, we press yes. Also we can precise for example for the section dimension put them in millimeter, okay, to facilitate the work. So we can less them, but let's put the section dimensions in millimeter and we press OK. Now we have defined the units of the project and the code using that we will use in this course. Thank you for listening. We will continue in the next lecture.